Hello everybody, I hope you are doing well, and today I am recording my video in the garden place, and you can see behind me a small garden, and here some have a some small plant in here, and a lot of plant here, but here some plant actually I know name, but I cannot not name in the more plant. So now today I will share with you some more important informative video in here. Actually here is a big tree. It is not a fruit tree. Actually it is the flower tree. But this fruit actually cannot eaten human and another animal. And here have a some water flowing. The pipe are under the soil and soil under the soil, and here have a some little plant that is growing in this time, and here some have a some in the damage the increase the plant actually they are clean in this cleaning man. So now you can see over there, I think it is not capture my phone. Actually over there one person he is cleaning this plant and maintain this plant. Actually here is a rose tree. You can see it is a rose tree. Rose tree actually this time have a not season to have not season to make the growing the flower. So, but when it is flower actually here have a notice board, a holding a notice board actually not pick up the flower. So this time so not flower, so it is not right, this time it is not neat. So some in this today the heavy sun temperature giving the some temperature, and this time I'm making video. It is a afternoon time, and over there you can see the our something building. Actually there have uh, there is a medicine corner. Actually it is the clinic, like something clinic, a little clinic. Actually a lot of people who is the suffering ill and something and relative something, they are coming here to treatment, their treatment here. So my friend, when I was speak fluently, actually I practice my English every day because I need more fluently and more perfection. But if I not start my journey, my speaking, I think I don't know fluently at this time. So now I'm recording, I am along here and I am recording my video in only me, just practice is natural. Nature and some car and like car and something there have a road and he is moving, he is driving in the there. So now practice. Actually some people ask me how to improve our speaking English. Actually it is the main matter, it is depend on your practice day. So if you practice regularly, I think you will growing something a little bit something, but one day you will be perfection. But if you not start and if you just public place to you need to, and you can just shame, my friend, you can if you just shame in this public place not speak, I think, and my friend I say you cannot growing anytime. But you need, if you need perfection, you need just practice, start your journey. And it is my journey. Actually it is the long journey. When I was start have been since 2 year, I am just start and I am know everything, know something, not everything, just to know something, but I cannot fluently properly fluently. But why? Actually I have I cannot no practice. I cannot no practice every day. And when I was free, spend my free time in my home, I am make there some video, some relative more informative information share with you how to improve it and how to explain any place. And nowadays and I will making video and share with you. There's you learning English speaking. Please follow me, subscribe my channel, and you need to any question please ask me, my friend. Thank you, take care, bye bye.